we'll guide you through how to find hidden files in Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Log in with your credentials if you're not already signed in. Once you're in, look towards the left sidebar and click on the Shared with Me section. This area sometimes contains files that aren't visible in your main drive but have been shared with you by others. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top. You can type keywords related to the file you're trying to find. Here's a tip. Click on the small drop-down arrow in the search bar to open advanced search options. This allows you to filter by file type, owner, location, and more. Another way to uncover hidden files is by checking your Activity tab, located at the right side of the screen. This shows you recent activity on all your files, and you might spot something that was recently added or modified. If you suspect that a file is hidden because it's been orphaned, meaning it's lost its folder, try searching for it by name or type in the search bar. Orphaned files usually appear in the search results even if they're not directly visible in your Drive folders. Also, remember to check the Trash section, as sometimes files get moved there accidentally. Click on Trash in the left sidebar, and if you find your missing file, you can restore it back to its original location by right-clicking and selecting Restore. By using these methods, you should be able to locate any hidden files in your Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.